Hi everyone! So today it is July 9th. It's a Thursday. So basically I signed up with this succulent subscription box thingy where they send you 2 succulents per month. I'm not sure if I'm actually going to continue this subscription after this month because I just wanted to try it out. But my first subscription box just got delivered. It got delivered today! Woo! I've never really talked about it, but I really love succulents. I've been taking care of them for like a while now. I have like an obsession with a bunch of different succulents, and I'm planning to set up a place in my room. And I have like a area for them to get some sunlight from my window. So today I am going to grab my succulents that I just got in the mail and all the ones that I have had for a while, and then build the shelf for them to sit on in my room. So this is just going to be like a short little succulent vlog thingy of me setting up my succulents in my room. So I hope you guys enjoy. Woo! Let's go get my succulents. Hello, welcome to the top of my mailbox. I'm so excited. It's in a little box. I got my succulents. Woo! So the company that has the succulent subscription is from Succulent Studios. Yeah, so they send you 2 succulents every single month. I think monthly it's like $10. I'll leave it in the description box below where you can sign up if you guys want any succulents every month. But I'm just trying this out for now, and I want to see if I really like how they take care of the succulents and everything and how they package it. So let's unbox it. Wow! Oh, you see nothing? Ooh! Oh my god, they're so cute! So when you first open it, so you get little like info cards about the succulents that you're receiving this month. For this month, I'm getting 2 bunny ear cacti. So this month I'm getting bunny ear abispina and bunny ear monstros. And then on the back of it, it has little information cards about the 2 succulents that you receive. And then it has a little disclaimer: watch out for needles, they are very small and dull, but wear gloves when handling me to avoid getting poked. Let's open it. They're so cute! So this is the bunny ear monstros. And then this is the abispina. I'm back. So next I am going to put up, I think, 1 shelf. I will record me setting up the shelf and then decorating it with all my succulents. So yeah, let's put up a shelf. So here's my succulent shelf. My dad came in and helped me, as you could probably see in the footage earlier. But yeah, it's done. This is how it looks on my wall. I'm just gonna clean up the shelf a little bit because it's a little dusty, and clean up the surrounding area before I put the succulents on the shelf. So let's get to cleaning. Alright, now that everything is clean and neat, it's time to bring the succ family onto their new home. guustavv, plus the 2 cacti that I just got today. So there you guys have it. This is my new shelf for my succulents for the succ family. It actually fit all of them really well. If I were to get more, I would definitely add another shelf. But for now, this is absolutely perfect for what I have right now. So this is all for now. Maybe I'll do an update later on when I add more succulents and another shelf. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys next time.